If you're an automotive advertiser, you know that it is really easy to spend a lot of money on your ad and media programs. What I'd like to share with you today are 6 no-cost marketing strategies that you can implement right now. No-cost marketing idea number 1, Google My Business. You know, Google My Business is the best way for you to make it easy for consumers to see what you have to offer. With Google My Business, you have the opportunity to post unlimited inventory pictures, dealership photos, videos, and even special offers. You know, consumers are using this platform to decide if they're even going to give you any consideration at all. And the best part about this, it is totally free and really easy for you to use. In fact, a big percentage of users will choose to visit your website or dealership based entirely on your Google My Business profile. So my recommendation, take some time to complete the page description. Get some inventory or product photos uploaded. Get some fresh video content posted and start using the special offers update. And while you're there, make sure to respond to any reviews that you have coming in. You know, potential customers are watching to see if you're even paying attention to what people are saying about you. You know, I discuss Google My Business in another video in a lot more detail. So if you're interested, you might want to check that one out too. No-cost marketing idea number 2, it's time to launch an email campaign. You know, most dealers have been collecting names from leads and customers for years. Now's the time that you can email all those contacts. Now, I am not advocating some slick, heavy sales-oriented email campaign. What I think you should do that will really help build trust and rapport, send out safe driving tips, maintenance tips, you know, updates on keeping the car on the road for longer life. These will go a long way in really building a solid relationship with you and your customers. No-cost marketing idea number 3, it's time you complete your Yelp listing. Now, don't shoot the messenger, just hear me out on this. Yelp has made great strides in breaking into the automotive sector. Lots of Yelpers are using the platform to look for automotive providers, especially on the service side. Getting your page populated, get it up to date with information is a great place to start. Now, fair warning, be ready for the phone call from your friendly Yelp sales rep who wants to help you with your page. This is code for spend money. No-cost marketing idea number 4, you need to populate the specials page on your website. You know, everybody wants a bargain and is looking for a deal. I am amazed at how many dealer websites proudly showcase the specials tab only to have the page totally blank once you get there. If you're not going to take the time to populate the page, I recommend have your website provider just take it down. No-cost marketing tip number 5, create and start publishing video content. Not new information here, but very few dealers are creating video. And you know what? Consumers, along with the search engines, have been screaming for years, we want video. It's time you give them what they want. It's okay to have fun with your videos. Go ahead and use your dealership as the backdrop or the location. Showcase your products and your services and actions. You know, and consumers have even told us exactly what it is that they want to see. Walkarounds, virtual test drives, product demonstrations, side-by-side comparisons. Just start giving them what they want, tell your story, and put it in a video form and get that content posted. And finally, no-cost marketing idea number 6, social media. Again, no big surprise here. Consumers love social media. Now's the time to really ramp up your activity. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Well, Twitter's really not good for automotive, but it's free, so why not? You know, social media is great in that you get to communicate directly with consumers in real time. This is the platform where you can have a lot of fun and really let your personality shine. So there you have it. 6 no-cost marketing ideas that you can implement today that will help your dealership become more productive down the road. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video and really found it helpful. If you've got any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to have a conversation with you. And if you did like the content, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell up in the corner so you'll get a heads up with our next video. Until next time, I wish you and your dealership good selling.